Hello and welcome everyone to AI User Playbook. I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour of the course and introduce you to just the way that this course operates. This course is a little bit different than some of the other ones you may have taken at Mohawk, but I really think that you're going to like it. First, a few basic things before we begin. You can find the homepage here, and I encourage you to just look through all of the content. We set this up so that there's lots of information available for you so that you can really get what you need in order to hit the ground running at the start of the semester. In particular, I encourage you to check out the Start Here page. And if you're watching this video, that means that you've definitely done this. So you're off to a good start. Read through all of the things here. This gives you a breakdown of how the course operates. And the thing that I really want to say just to get started here is that this course is what I call a hands-on asynchronous learning experience. What do I mean by that? Well, it's asynchronous insofar as it's a course which is entirely online, which does not have any live classes. Okay, there's no classes for you to attend in person or online through Zoom or Teams. You just go through the content at a time that makes the most sense for you. And as long as you are meeting all of the required deadlines, it's totally fine. This course is hands-on insofar as the focus of this course is activities. It focuses on doing stuff. I'm not just presenting you with information, I'm providing you with opportunities to practice, to experiment, to learn through the process of doing. That's something that I feel is extremely important when it comes to using AI tools effectively. And the way that it works in this course is the course is divided up into 7 modules. Each module runs over the span of 2 weeks. You have 2 weeks to go through the material. And over those 2 weeks, you have 2 pages to go through. You have information and concepts, which provides a video as well as some other information. Each one includes case studies. If you click the optional deep dive button, it will include some real-life case studies which are based on actual things. I've just changed the names of the companies to preserve anonymity, as well as just other information that we think you'll find valuable. So that's the first part, the information section. And then each week, or each module, I should say, you will also have an activity section where you'll have a bunch of different activities to complete. And throughout the semester, you'll need to do 2 of these 4 activities that I provide you with. Okay, it's up to you. You can read through the table of contents and get a bit of a preview, and you can pick the ones that you think will make the most sense for you. This is a big component of the class, is doing these activities through each module. And each activity will have associated with it some kind of document for you to complete. And if you just go through the document, for each one, I've put it in the output section here. You can download this document, work with it, and if you just complete everything that's in there, you'll be finishing the activities no problem. Okay? And this is important because, we'll check out the assignments in this course, That's one of the major things that you're going to be doing throughout the semester. Throughout the course, you'll have a weekly activities portfolio to complete, and there's 2 times when you will need to submit it. You'll need to submit one for the work that you did in modules 1 to 2, and the work that you did in modules 3 to 5. And basically what you're doing here is you will be uploading those documents that you completed in the course of doing your weekly activities. So that's something that you need to keep up with throughout the semester. You can take a look at what the other assignments are in this course. The first one is a video report where you dig into your chosen industry and you just find out, do a little bit of a dive and figure out, well, what are the tools that people are actually using in your field? What actually makes the most sense? Give a little video report on that. The second assignment is a quality assurance audit, where I will be providing you with some AI-generated material, and your job is to review it and find any errors, fact-check it, find any places where it doesn't really make sense for the situation that you're responding to. Just demonstrate that you can review the work and bring it up to a professional standard. The final assignment for this course is a capstone project where you have the opportunity to make something that you think will make sense for your field. You'll have the opportunity to use AI tools to create something that you think would be a real contribution to the kind of work that you actually want to do once you are done here at Mohawk College. Now, we'll work up to that over the next while, but that's what the whole course is really leading up to. So, welcome once again to the course. I encourage you to go through all of the material that we have here, read through all of the resources that we've prepared. We've shared a glossary and FAQ with just some key terms and common questions and things like that you might find helpful. This is something which is just optional to go through. It is not required by any means, but it's something that I think you might find interesting and useful. And I really look forward to seeing the things that you do throughout this semester. Bye for now.